That's 2 teeth I need.
Well, that's that then.
Oh my, it's holding it.
Oh.
You knocked my tooth out and cut me, and your battery got wet.
Now I gotta ride or die.
Neutral drop. I tried to neutral drop. This isn't working, but we might have some steam. We just went for a large puddle, so there is that. Oh shit! What the hell? Oh my god! That scared the living Jesus out of me. Did you pop the window?
That's gonna go.
Oh my!
It's holding it.
Oh my! Mate, what? Oh my god!
Hello, mate.
I was like, pit manoeuvre! I've got no brakes, like they are cooked, they're not happy.
Have you
No, it's honestly, it's staying under temperature. I'm so surprised. That was the, what was that? When you hit us, but oh my god, look at the state of the door. No wonder it won't open. Also, my pit manoeuvre might have completely written off the back of the car. Oops. Mighty Vitara coming through the water there. Look at that. This is another one that won't die. That was the one who just had on the limiter, and she's absolutely fine, man. Look at that. No. That's right, we'll get another one. That's right, just gonna... There's a dip there. Oh, go on! We're going this way. That's the cute momentum up, otherwise we are always getting out the other side. She wasn't happy, she did not want to do that. Mainly down to the tyres, I think, more than anything. Wasn't happy. Anyway, we'll go and find something a little bit more easier. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm going. Shut your window. Oh my!
It's gonna come in, Jay.
He's died! Oh, he's died! We hit it
coming in!
Uh-oh! We killed him!
Sunroof! What's your sunroof, bruv?
Why?
I'm climbing out of the fucking thing.
Well, that's that then. We thought we'd go through some water and I might have hit it too hard.
Coming in, mate.
Right. Oh. Right, we're gonna have to get towed out of here. Well, this is a bad start to the video, isn't it?
Fucking hell, it ain't coming in, though. It ain't coming in.
She's built well, this one. She's built well. You told me to. Well, you didn't tell me to. I just thought. Oh, we died already. He's dead. And it won't come out of park either. No, it's not in neutral. It won't come out of park. Dave actually put it in park. I didn't.
I'll put it in park.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, we're in neutral. We're in neutral. I am. My foot is on the brake. My foot's on the brake. Right. My foot's on. Oh yeah, here we go. Right, we're going backwards. We're going backwards.
There we go.
We're going backwards. The mighty Vitara is pushing us into a tree. And stop! Stop! Ah! There's a tree there. Oh my god!
Leaves everywhere.
Just chip your tooth. How did you just chip your tooth? Oh my god! Oh, she's dead, mate. She's not impressed. Well, this is a very bad start to the video. Welcome back to the channel, everybody.
I didn't know there was a tree behind us.
But there's a tree behind us, and there's a tree behind us. Oi, that was deep.
He drove in there and got stuck, so you pushed him out.
Whoops.
That's 2 teeth I need. I reckon your battery's coming.
Oh yeah, I reckon.
Well,
Well, huge thank you to the Suzuki again for saving us. It ain't even deep. It's just the way I went in like a hero, if I'm quite honest. Right, anyway, we'll try and start it.
Looking behind, honestly, if you hit it, I just headbutted.
He's headbutted the door pillar and snapped a bit of tooth out. Mate, how did you even manage that? But yeah, we stopped with this tree, so that's good. The back window still isn't smashed. I'm really surprised. We're gonna take the air filter. Oh my god! Oh wow! Yeah!
Why would you do that?
To be fair, you pushed us, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna send it because I mean, how bad can it be? And
You went in heavy.
yeah, I did go in quite heavy there. I just thought, well, you went in all right, so like I'll go in all right and see what happens, and that's bad. There's quite a lot of water in the engine.
Oh, the match in it.
You have to take the plugs out.
Uh-oh. She's not happy. Well, that's silly of Mercedes to put the air filter feed in there. They should have known that I would always sometimes maybe do that at some point. Right, we'll pick up the remnants of ML on the floor. Sorry about the air filter there. We'll put that in the back. Oh, Jesus, that is disgusting. Knocked his tooth out. Oh dear. Poor, bet that Weller, did it? Like that. Bang.
Hit, I was like, that was like, what? I looked at him and he shut off and I was like, oh, I'm gonna
Oh my god. That is so bad.
When we get going, I'm not gonna stop. We've got to keep going.
No, we've got to keep going because this is a lot heavier than that is, which is a shame. So, yeah, this could go really well. It probably won't though. The paint's coming off though. That's no good.
It must take a lot to smack a tooth like that.
Yeah, you've really done it. By the Vitara wasn't in our plan of straight away. We've literally been in it again for 5 minutes, and maybe the first 5 minutes are actually the most dangerous. I've decided.
Yeah, I think they might.
They actually are, aren't they? There's no power steering either, and I'm literally forcing the vehicle. Like, it's so heavy, but I've got to force it round the corner. Is this a mound we've got to get up? Oh god! Oh god! Full send! Full send! Full send!
Go on, Bob.
Go on, Vitara! Go on, Vitara! Go on! Oh, she did it! Well done! Oi, that was well on. What a beautiful... I've got no brakes. I've got no brakes at all. Zero brake. That is me on the floor at the brakes. Got no brakes. Oh my god.
Cannot believe.
Oh.
Just towed us back.
Yeah. That Vitara, mate, we should all buy Vitaras. That has done such a good job. It straight away. This isn't the end for the ML. I'm not having it. Let's let's try to get it from this corner. Yeah. Sweet. Right in there. Perfect.
Lovely.
Boop. Right. Let's save it. No, I like going through deep water for no reason because my name's Jamie. Yeah, bit wet. Oh, is it going to focus? Focus. Focus. No, it's not going to focus. Anyway, let's spray this down. Hopefully she starts in a minute. This is the point where it's dead. Like, it won't start because it's got no battery in it now.
The battery's just got a bit wet.
The battery's just got a bit wet. I'd say the battery's just got a bit wet.
You knocked my tooth out.
Oh, I did it.
And cut me, and your battery got wet. I think the fact of putting the car underwater is
Might
more
have
a
something
problem than the battery.
Yeah,
I said to him at the time, Jay, that is deep.
And I was like, let's just send it, and I sent it, and I really shouldn't have. It's fine. We've got like things and stuff.
A little bit too hard there.
Oh, we did. Just do a little bit of this. Here we go.
I actually do like a bit of mayonnaise.
You love a bit of mayo. Well, there's loads of it here for you, right up the Milky Way in there, mate. Wow.
Dave wants milk in his mouth.
There you go, mate. There's some milk right there. Just get it in your mouth.
It needs to come out the other side now.
Ooh, look at that smoke coming out.
Oh.
Where's that coming from? We've got electrical fire going on there.
Electrical fire. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I'm in. Electrical fire.
Try it. We give it a kick for luck. Go on, tell it.
Go on, kick it for luck. Go on, go on. That's it. Kick it. Go. No, it didn't work. Damn it.
Didn't work.
And again. And again, one more. Sweet, cheers. Right, we just hit a tree, that really hurt. Here we are in my mum's Vitara, going down a hill. Hope we don't hurt ourselves. Whoa!
Handbrake.
Oh, God. He's on the handbrake! Oh God! Oh, jeez! I punched the camera! I punched my camera! It's like being in a little car. The front of the car. I thought we were going over backwards then. Have we just killed it? Stop it.
It's probably well overloaded at the moment.
Oh yeah, we're fine. Don't worry about it. Carry on. On the limiter, that's the spirit. Oh, check. Neutral drop. Oh, he's gonna do a backflip. He's gonna do a backflip.
Fucking thing got me, look.
Yeah. Oh, no, stop it. Come on, Vitara, you can do this. Just tuck the headliner in there, mate. Yeah, so I don't hit you in the face. Mine is like tickling my cheek as we go. It just come up as an error. It detached my lens, that bounce. It detached the lens from the camera. Jesus Christ. Oh. Look. You're like, what, 6 foot something and we can't even see you. Right, I've got out. Look at this. What is happening here? That's like, not happy there, is it? I can't even move, that's so funny.
Go on, that's it, get it in there!
That is proper stuck in there, isn't it? So this is the level ground. It's dug a big old that side as well. Right, let's rock it, come on. Oh! Just break the stuff. Way! Go in! So if anybody wants to know how to get a Vitara stuck, that's how. 4 lads in it. Oh, the roof's coming off. Here we go. That's convertible. So yeah, that's it's just not happening, is it? The Jeep Wrangler has come in, and hopefully we can actually get this out of it. Go on, that's it. Straight away, no messing about. Look at that. Yeah, shout out to the lads that actually are organising this. They've actually just radioed and come and got us out, which is really nice of them. Oh my God. I think that's been underwater, mate. Literally. I'm just going to assist another Vitara here. Just give him a little push. Absolutely fine. Oh, that's it. Yeah. Give him a little push. That's the spirit. Get it in there. Yes. And this is how we're getting it on the trailer because it's just easier. It's a lot easier. So I think the sad reality of what you're seeing right now is the conclusion of the ML. We've tried for about an hour, couldn't get it started whatsoever. Obviously completely my fault for going in some deep water. But I thought, oh, we've got, you know, a bit of deep water. We haven't done deep water yet. And yeah, the V8 engine coupled with a standard air intake just didn't like it. I think what we've actually done is bent a valve of some sort in there. It won't crank. It's completely hydrolocked. So yeah, unfortunately, looks like it's RIP for the ML. Dun, 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 dun. Say the car of the day has definitely been. Oh, another Vitara in the background is limiter bashed. This has been the best car of the day for us. I think the Vitara that my mate brought with him has literally got everyone out, has got not stuck anywhere. It was hydrolocked for a bit, but it was fine. It, you know, cleared and actually came out. I think it's just what they're doing to that one as well, is unhydrolocking it. and now it's going back on the trailer ready to be used again. Unfortunately, as you can see, the ML isn't, so buy a Vitara instead. Also, we will just point out the coolest thing here, just go around this corner, ... Land Cruiser on a 19 plate, right, with a friggin' track thing on the back of it. How sick is that setup? Absolute gold. And there we have it, the end of the ML500. Buying this for £500, pretty much sight off scene off, you know, a friend of a friend. Didn't really know what I was getting into. Straight away thought, you know, it's got a little bit of MOT on it. Let's take it out and see what it was like. Slight off-roading. Assessing how bad it was at the garage. Finding out straight away that not only structurally it was a bit dodgy, the exhaust was patched very badly. Then deciding, after the MOT elapsed, to actually just take the bumpers off after pretty much destroying them on the first outing. Spraying it a different colour, because, I mean, I like sand colour, but it came out yellow, so that's a problem. To what we have now, which is now, as I edit this video, a dead ML500 that I've now actually sold to a scrapman for £120. So I will do a full video on exactly costs and what we did financially on this car. But the question I'm leaving with after all of this is, has anybody got a cheap 4x4 for sale? Because I think we need to do this again. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later.